Hi, this is Bill with Farland Classics in Denver. We're doing another walk around with one of our cars that's listed on our website for sale. This is the 2001 Ferrari 360 Spider with the F1 transmission. Some of the cars we sell, we only have a brief history of. This particular car, I personally ordered new for one of my customers when I was running the local Ferrari dealership. That gentleman wanted something different. Back in those days, everybody wanted red with tan. But that man, he said, one of these days people are going to get sick of red, and I want something different. Ferrari had just come up with this new dark metallic burgundy called Fiorano Red, and he said, that's just perfect. And they had also come up with a new interior color called Coio, which is the Italian word for leather, one of the Italian words. And it's a really nice medium dark shade, doesn't show the soil like the lighter tans did, and it's not nearly as hot in the summer as the black one is. And we ran through the option list, and he picked a lot of the most popular stuff: dual power seats, Daytona trim on the seat, a lot of extra leather on the inside of the car. These door sills with the aluminum inserts in them. This panel back here is normally carpeted. In this car now it's all leather. We ordered matching leather for the steering wheel and the dash covering as well, instead of the standard black. So the whole idea was to create a car that was different and still attractive. Ferrari had just made these modular wheels available. That's a factory option, not an aftermarket. And of course the Scuderia shields that everybody loves. The car also has the rear challenge grille. That was a popular item back there. The standard 360, this panel was painted to match the car, but the challenge grille was this perforated steel, or aluminum, pardon me, and the idea was to help vent out heat from the exhaust system. One of this car's features is a Ferrari optional tuned and polished system for the 360. A little bit louder, a little more mellow, they say a little more power. But you can see the way this car has been cared for. It's just been spectacular. The gentleman I ordered it for new kept it 5 years, traded it back into me for another new car, and I sold the car to a personal friend of mine in the Ferrari Club who has kept it for 18 years. So I've known this car its whole life, never had any damage. It has a clean Carfax report. The paint is spectacular on it. The whole nose of the car was covered with the 3M plastic chip guard when it was new. And you just can't find a nicer one of these. We have everything that came with the car new. Let me open the trunk here. These had, from the factory, a tire inflator kit, a kit of hand tools, a car cover, and the bundle of all the factory books. Everything for it is here, even the flashlight that's always missing, and the original window sticker. There's a battery maintainer for it, and the car is just spectacular. It has just had new cam belts done a month ago. It has tires that are about 3 months old, and the car is fully serviced and ready to go. And if you have any questions at all about it or any of our other cars, please feel free to give Tom or I a call. We'll be very happy to help you.
Should we start her up?
Oh, I don't have the hood latched, and so.
That's all right. This is a real life video here. Okay.
How about that?